Welcome to our DIY tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple homemade rocket using everyday materials. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a plastic bottle, vinegar, baking soda, a paper towel, a cork, and some duct tape. Optional safety goggles and gloves. First, clean out your plastic bottle and let it dry completely. This will be the body of your rocket. To make it more stable, you can attach fins made from cardboard using duct tape. Simply cut out triangular shapes and tape them to the base of the bottle. Next, we'll prepare the fuel. Pour about a cup of vinegar into the bottle. Then measure out 2 tablespoons of baking soda and place it in the center of a small piece of paper towel. Roll up the paper towel to create a small packet. This will delay the reaction, giving you time to set up the rocket. Step 3. Assembling the rocket. Now, carefully insert the baking soda packet into the bottle, making sure it doesn't touch the vinegar just yet. Quickly seal the bottle with a cork. This is where you need to act fast. Step 4. Launching the rocket. Take your rocket outside to an open area. Safety first. Place the bottle upside down with the cork facing the ground and step back. In a few moments, the reaction between the vinegar and baking soda will create pressure, launching your rocket into the air. Step 5. Safety tips and observations. Remember to always wear safety goggles and gloves when handling these materials, and keep a safe distance once you've set the rocket up. Observe what happens and take notes on how you can improve your next rocket. Enjoy the launch.